Hey guys, what's happening? How to easily solve the Instagram saved audio option not showing. So whether you are using your story or your reels to play music and you can't hear them, here's how you can fix it. So first of all, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen, and then go ahead to App Store or Google Play. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and double check if your Instagram is updated to the latest version in order to get access to all that new features and also fix the audio problem. Go ahead and open up Instagram, right? If that doesn't work, and then hit your profile icon at the bottom right, right? And then click the three bars at the top right. Scroll a little bit down to find the help center, and go ahead to the help and press the first option, report a problem, and continue without shaking your phone. If you want to include a screenshot, go ahead and do that. If you don't, you can simply explain, hello support team, right? My story saved audio music option not showing, not showing in my account. Please fix this problem, right? As soon as possible, right? And then just add dot thanks, okay? And then hit send and wait for Instagram to reply, and that should fix your problem, and they will be in touch, right? They will probably reach out in a matter of 24 to 48 hours. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.